have you ever wondered why companies give you free stuff? Like pens, mugs, bottles of water, etc. You might think they're nice to you, but secretly they're trying to persuade you. People do it all the time to you, and you don't even notice. So what is this? This reciprocity. In this video, I'm gonna tell you what is reciprocity, how you can use it, why it works. So next time, you'll be able to persuade someone and they won't even know you're persuading them. So what is reciprocity? Have you ever heard of the expression, you scratch my back and I'll scratch yours? Well, that's reciprocity. It's basically when someone gives us something, we feel the urge to give something back. So how does reciprocity work? Us humans are selfish creatures. We do stuff in our own interest and why it benefits us. So in sales, when you give someone something valuable, it taps into their own self-interest, making them more likely to reciprocate to you by making it seem fair for you to pay them back. Reciprocity isn't about single sales, but instead building a long-term relationship with your customers. By consistently giving them value, you make them a loyal customer, and in return, they recommend you to other people about your company. So what are some ways you can use reciprocity? First, you can give free stuff, like books, pens, mugs, like what I said previously. Second is a lead magnet. A lead magnet is where someone, like the customer, gives you an email and in return, they get a free PDF or free ebook. Third is self-explanatory, but is doing small favors. Fourth is what I call reject and retreat. This is a famous negotiation tactic where you offer the client a big offer which they might accept, but they will reject, and after that you give them a second offer which is more reasonable, so they will most likely to accept that. Fifth is giving them excellent service for free. Well, all of these 5 are good. There's much more you can do, which I can't cover in a video because it will be 30 minutes. So reciprocity isn't just for sales. You can use it for networking, where you provide value to someone that's in a higher position than you, and you can use it for working. The more input you put in. So to recap, we talked about reciprocity is giving someone something and in return they give something back. Second is reciprocity isn't for single sales, but instead to make a good relationship with your customer. Third is all of the ways you can use reciprocity, like giving free stuff, a lead magnet, giving them a small favor, doing reject and retreat method, and even giving a free service to them. That's it for the video. If you like this, make sure to look at my other ones. And this week I want you to focus on how to use reciprocity in your day-to-day life. So if you want to convince someone, if you want them to do something, if you want to make a sale, the outcomes are infinite. Just choose one and work at it for the whole week. And you will be surprised what you can do with reciprocity.